I just want to apologize now in advance to John Green and Sal Khan because this video is probably the best thing that's ever happened in education, and it's probably going to put Crash Course and Khan Academy out of business. So you trying to learn about chemical foundation? Say less. First of all, every aspect of our life is based on chemistry. It's a tool used to measuring things around us and all that. First, we'll talk about the scientific method. Scientific method is just... Hold on. Scientific method is a standardized way of making observations, gathering data, forming theories, testing predictions, and interpreting results. Some definitions you should know is first, chemistry. Chemistry is the study of properties of materials and the changes that the material undergoes. Second is matter, the physical material of the universe, anything that has mass and takes up space. Third is elements, a substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances by chemical means. Next is atoms, which are the building blocks of matter, the smallest representative particle of an element. Last is molecule, atoms that are held together in specific shapes. Just a note, if it's not matter, then it's energy. Some key topics in chemical foundation are dimensional analysis, temperature, and density. Dimensional analysis is simply just a metric system we use to convert from one unit to another. So volume, for example, liters and milliliters are the most commonly used metrics in chemistry. Temperature is just a measure of the average kinetic energy, and the metrics we use for that are Celsius and Kelvin. Density is a physical property of a substance, basically how much there is in an amount of space. And to solve for density, we use D equals M over V. So what is that? Mass over volume. As shown here in the chemistry manifesto. If it would focus. Focus! There you go. The main focus for today is the classification of matter, or property of matter. Matter has three forms it could take up: solid, liquid, gas. A solid has a definite shape and a definite volume, or fixed volume. A liquid has a definite volume but no shape, and a gas has no shape or fixed volume. Classification of matter. Is it uniform throughout? Question mark. No, it's a heterogeneous mixture. Yes, it's a homogeneous. Does a homogeneous have a variable composition? No, it's a pure substance. Can it be separated into simpler forms? Or simpler substances, I mean? No, it's an element. Yes, the compound. Well, over here, does it have a variable composition? Question mark. Yes, then it's a homogeneous mixture solution. Homogeneous mixture has indistinguishable parts, while heterogeneous has distinguishable parts. Homogeneous is usually a solution, while heterogeneous can be split into two or more homogeneous mixtures. The classification of matter, we're going to talk about pure substance, homogeneous, heterogeneous, chromatography, filtration, distillation. First, let's talk about pure substance. Pure substance is one with a constant composition. Heterogeneous, homogeneous. Heterogeneous has distinguishable parts, homogeneous indistinguishable. A distillation is a process that depends on the volatility of a compound. So basically how it vaporizes. Chromatography is a type of separation to a series of methods that use a system with two phases. And the filtration is just, when a mixture consists of a liquid and a solid, you kind of filter it out. You also have physical and chemical changes. Physical change would be boiling or freezing water, something that doesn't change the chemical compound. And then chemical change would be iron rusting, because it's changing the chemical compound. This is the type of question that would appear on the AP chemistry exam. When each of the following is heated to 50 degrees Celsius and the temperature is held constant for 5 minutes, which one undergoes only a physical change? We know A, B, and D, when heated, they'll be cooked. And C, we know ice cream tends to melt when it's heated, especially on a hot, sunny day when you have no napkins and it runs down the cone and gets on your hand and gets all sticky. And then you're just pretty angry because your hand's sticky all day, because there's no bathroom nearby with a sink, and you don't have a bottle of water or anything to wet your hand. And you don't want to lick it because you don't know when's the last time you washed your hand.
Yeah.
So to relate this to another topic we haven't discussed will probably be Dalton's atomic theory, because we talked about atoms, but we didn't go to the subatomic level. You can also relate this to every topic in chemistry except for energy, because energy isn't classified as matter. But yeah, you matter. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. Peace out.